Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2, and this is probably a better way. I didn't really realize the freehand pick tool would do this. I thought once you encompass something, it would take everything in its grasp. But if we use the Alt key, if I'm holding down the Alt key, and I'm going to start right there, holding down the Alt key, even though I'm going to go all the way around that black inner part, and I'm going to go past where I started, then come back. The Alt key is selecting anything is touching in red because it's just touching it. But I thought it would be in the center of it, but it's not. It's selecting anything that it touches on that leading edge of the pointer. So let's zoom in here a little bit. If we hold down the Alt key, I thought, so it was going to select those two objects. But I thought, if I circle this, holding down the Alt key, and if I went all the way around, it would select everything in its grasp, but it's not. It's only selecting stuff, and this isn't working, zooming in and out, but it's just taking that one line and not the dotted line. You can see the dotted line going across. Well, this is only taking that one line, so I'm touching that red several times, and then I can move it out of the way. It takes just a second because it's having to think. But there's how you do it. That's gonna help a lot of people, I think, when you can just go through something. And let's just do it again. Like if you hold down the Alt key with the pick tool and just slide through there, anything it touches, it's going to grab anything it just barely touches. Doesn't have to touch the whole thing. Like with a normal pick tool, if we do this, we don't select anything. To get those three, we have to pick those, go completely engulf those. But with the freehand pick tool, holding down the Alt button, it's only taking that leading edge. It's not taking that other edge. So this should even work. Now it takes just a second because it's having to calculate. Now that time it took everything. Let's try that again. Holding down the Alt key. And I'm going to just go through the leading edge and then go past where I was and come back. And I haven't touched any of the red or the inner black. Let's see if it worked. And it did. So that's using the Alt key with the freehand pick tool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.